Have you ever wondered what happened to your Instagram account the moment you pass away? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the memorialization, yeah, I might pronounce it wrong, to your Instagram account. So basically what happened to the account after you pass away. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone and let me show you how you can set what happened to your account, Instagram account, after you pass away. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on bottom right, your profile picture, then you go to your profile, click on top right, the three lines on top, which is the settings icon, and then you go to account center, click on manage accounts, find the account that you want to manage. For example, I want to manage the Instagram account, click on manage, and then you can see this word memorialization, how to pronounce. So you can decide what happened to your Instagram profile after you pass away. Click on that. Okay, you can see what you want to do with this. You can delete after death, so I do not want to delete it. I want to, for example, to give it to my wife to manage. So click next, then you search your Instagram followers. For example, give permission to download a copy. Alright, so I just give permission because I want her to copy all the details after, for example, something happened to me. Click on save. So after that, I can send the message to her. Just click send. There. So the message sent to her. So if anything happened, at least you have someone to take care of your account. Right? This is one way you can do it. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.